In case you missed it, we have a new study room reservation system. Watch this short video to learn how to reserve a room. Start at our website, library.ucr.edu. Under the popular box, click Library Study Spaces. Now you are at our new Study Spaces webpage. You can check out the different type of study areas we have and also see where study rooms are located. To reserve a room, click Find Out More under Group Study Rooms, or click Find Out More under Multimedia Viewing and Gaming Rooms, if that is what you're looking for. After you click, you will see a description of what the rooms have and also our room guidelines. After reading the guidelines, scroll down and click Reserve a Group Study Room to start the reservation process. First, make sure to choose the desired location of your study space at the top of the page from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the date for your reservation either by clicking the arrows or by clicking Go to Date and using the calendar. Choose the beginning time of your reservation by clicking on an open time slot. Available time slots are shown in green. Your reservation is in yellow, and unavailable pending time slots are in red. After selecting the start time of your reservation, choose the ending time of your reservation from the drop-down menu under the reservation calendar. Please note, you can only reserve a room for up to 3 hours once per day. Once you submit your times, you will be redirected to the UCR authentication page to log in with your credentials. Once logged in, double-check to make sure that your reservation details are accurate and click Continue. You will be redirected to a similar page with the same reservation details and your name and email. Once all the information looks correct, click Submit My Reservation. Congrats! Your study space has been reserved. Your confirmation will note the library, floor number, and room number of your study room, as well as the date time of your reservation.